In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change GCash address. Keeping your address updated helps ensure smoother transactions, accurate verification, and timely communication from the app. I'll walk you through the exact path inside the GCash app and share a few helpful reminders so you can make the change confidently and correctly. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the correct GCash account and that your internet connection is stable. It also helps to update your GCash app to the latest version so all menu items appear as expected. If your account is fully verified, the app may ask you to confirm some details while you update. That's normal. Just be ready to review your information carefully. Start by opening the GCash app. From the home screen, look for the profile icon. It's typically on the upper area of the screen and may look like a small person or user silhouette. Tap that to open your profile page. At the very top of the profile page, you'll see a bar that shows your name and your registered mobile number. Go ahead and tap that top section. This brings you to the page that lists your personal information. You'll see items like your name, birth date, and other account details. This is the right place to view and manage what's saved on your account. On this personal information page, look for the option that says Update Account Information. Tap it. Inside, locate the address section. This is where you can change your address. Enter your complete and accurate address details. Include your house or unit number, street, barangay, city or municipality, province, and postal code if it's requested. Keep the format consistent with your official documents to avoid any mismatch during verification. Double-check spelling and numbers and avoid special characters or uncommon abbreviations that could cause confusion. Once you've reviewed everything, confirm or save your changes. The app may show a brief confirmation message or return you to your personal information page where you can see the updated address displayed. Take a moment to make sure it looks correct and complete. If you don't see the Update Account Information option, first try updating your GCash app and reopening it. Sometimes a quick refresh or signing out and back in can make the button appear. If the app asks you to verify details, follow the on-screen prompts and provide only what the app requests. That's it. You've successfully reached the right spot in GCash to change your address and save the new information. Thanks for watching, and keep your details current so your GCash experience stays fast, secure, and hassle-free.